Here we have the final incarnation of the knife now. Angle grinder with the sanding disc just to do all the rough work, take the screw head down. Most of the work's been done there with the angle grinder, as you can see. Then a lot of sanding and filing, just the ends and the fancy bits to be done now. And that's how it looks prior to oiling. Not bad, I think you'll agree, folks. Looks pretty decent. And I'll be using some silicone oil. I'll give it 2 coats of silicone oil, which I got from my days of being a photocopier engineer. Pretty good stuff. Hello Steammeisters. The final part of the Bushcraft style knife made out of an old workshop file has been completed now. We've just seen all the slideshow, the final stages. It's had 2 coats of silicone oil to bring out the orangey red in the wood. I think it looks quite nice. And as I stated back at the beginning of the project, I originally cut off the end of the file, just like I will do with this point, some point with this one, because I've got the hole drilled already for the lanyard. A bit of gum blue in on it to darken it up, and that's an excellent fire steel. And hopefully a half decent knife, which is as a backup. I have tested it. I think I did demonstrate in one of the other videos that the hardness is returned fully with the spine, so this will create sparks if necessary for flint and steel. So pretty much there, I suggest you've got everything you could ever want in terms of minimalist items to survive. Famous last words. But there you go anyway. All completed. I'm quite happy with the work. Just need to do a final sharpen again. You see the screws I've just ground down. It's not bad. No, I'm moulding it left-handed here, but it feels nice in the hand. Should be a good little workhorse for a long time. So that's enough from me. I'll catch you all later with the next project. Bye for now. Right then folks, building this clip. Bit of skirting board or something, I don't know what it is. Presumably pine. I'll try splitting it.